Okay, so as you can tell, I like green color a lot. That's not true. That's not true. I was actually very accidentally in a greenhouse in my school. If there is anything questionable, we are going to edit this out, okay? Just don't laugh. So let's start with the smallest compartment. Okay, so the first thing I get out, see, this is $1,000. I don't know. Was I supposed to give it to somebody, or I just forgot? I think I'm supposed to give this to somebody and I forgot, and it's been sitting in my bag. $20 more, richer. Okay. All this money is going to charity. If you know it's not, shut up. Okay. Okay. So this is a hard disk. I think it is 16 GB. Wow. When did I purchase this? Some bills. And then what's this again? Oh, so this is my 1-year membership card for Multifit Walker. Coffee sachet. Oh, the most treasured ones. I love these small coffee sachets. And I take them everywhere with me. Wherever I can find good hot water, I just add these and that makes my day. I have some sticky notes as well. I put them up everywhere. Sticky notes. Okay. Oh, even these are so cool. I love these. Though they haven't, this is not sponsored video, and we have 10 more bucks. I'm getting richer today. This is a wristband. One of the companies I was sponsored by. I love them. I still love them. Samplila pen. Smelly socks, smelly socks. Sticky notes again. The thing about sticky notes is, it's not just like, I don't just use it to put it on notebooks. I label stuff a lot, so you will see it on every other stuff in the house where I've almost written, don't touch this. Ooh, so this is a small diary again. What is this? Oh, this is my food diary. So whatever I eat in the whole day goes into this. I have recently started logging my eating habits because I am kind of getting a little more serious about the shape of my body. Then I have another. Oh, this is a card reader, and this is a card, SanDisk card. Okay, let me see. Oh, this thing, super small but super efficient. Okay. Oh, this is one of the first Gorilla tripods that I bought. Okay. This is again a case. One of the cases of GoPro stays in here. Right now it's just the nut, but there's a underwater housing that sits in this. Some more sticky notes. Some more sticky notes. Some more sticky notes. What the hell? Oh, okay, so this is one of the charging things, cables. This is a bag of the bag of the bag. Does that make sense? So this is a small pouch which holds a bag, like a cover of this bag. This big thing. So this is a very helpful thing for me. This is where I have a lot of attachments that go with the GoPro. Again, it's not sponsored by GoPro. Essential. Crap. Ooh, I go swimming sometimes, like twice a year or something like that. That's when I use this. Charging adapter, some more cash. Okay, now the important stuff. Ball. Okay, so this is a tennis ball. It is not to play. This ball I particularly use for massaging my back, my tensed shoulders, my tensed glutes, my tensed quadriceps, hamstrings, everything that is tensed, I suggest everybody should have one of these with them. They should carry it everywhere they go, because it's just super duper easy way to get your massages done. Wallet. We'll not dig into my wallet, but yeah, wallet is in the bag all the time. This is a Casio EK7000, which my brother sent me from Canada. This is the GoPro that I was talking about for such a long time. Yeah. So this one is called a Hubble. This is Bose EarPods, if you will. They go in like that. Battery 100%. Connected to Swapnil's iPhone. That's what it says. Okay. Super efficient. Have never left me in between my workout. Have never fallen out of my ears. And I love this product because it is so handy and so compact. And it's just once you plug it in your ears, it doesn't move at all. It just fits in so perfectly. And the sound quality is out of this world. Some more cash. This is actually my go-to set. The minion on this has not been washed for a decade, I think. Banana. Crab, lots of crab. This is one of the diaries which I had attended this course, like a seminar on biohacking. It was great insight on how your mind and body works together and what all you can do to enhance that connection. Why am I carrying so much crap in my bag? Oh, cash. This is again a bag in my bag which has a bag inside the bag. Pen drive again. We keep crying about we don't have pen drives. We have so many pen drives. Can you hear that? This is basically my ideas notebook, where I keep writing concepts and ideas for businesses. I go through this diary at least like thrice in a day, so that if I'm not doing anything, if I'm free, I go through this diary so that I can plan according to this diary. What is the use of doing all these things if we don't have sponsors? Or are we doing this for getting sponsors? I have no idea. Okay, and these are some of my notes. I carry them everywhere just in case if I get stuck with somebody's questions, or if I come across some principles that I'm not understanding or not clear. These are my notes from my certification. I always carry them for reference, so that if I'm stuck somewhere, I can just go through these notes, and these are super handy. So if somebody comes and asks me, hey dude, I have this problem, right here. Like for example, there's this guy who came out of nowhere that day, and he's like, hey dude, you are a trainer, right? I have this thing in my lower back right next to that small bone that you have. I was like, wait, what? Okay, so this is not the right place or the right time to talk about this, but still I will solve your query. 15, 1120.
Obsession. Obsession.